I am Celine Flores Willers, founder and CEO of the People Branding Company. I started my own company 1.5 years ago. We help our clients to increase their company's visibility in the digital world. In our team, appreciation and motivation come first. Quality and efficiency is what matters and counts while working with our clients, and we expect the same standards from our coffee machine. We were looking for a machine that works just as individually and professionally as we do. And that's exactly what we found with the WMF 950S.